So today we discuss about LinkedIn ads, but before that I'm telling that LinkedIn ads is dependent by the LinkedIn company page. Suppose your LinkedIn profile don't have any company page, we can't promote with the LinkedIn ads without call company page. What is that? We have created the company pages on your LinkedIn profile. So how to check your LinkedIn profile will be connected with the page or not? You're creating page or not? Simple one here. Just go to option call here. Here, these are your LinkedIn company pages. So I'm taking for Rakesh your company page here. Through this company, I can advertise by the LinkedIn ads. It's completely based on by your company page. Ads will be designed driven by the LinkedIn company page here. So this is my company page here. So please write down steps. Go to LinkedIn profile. The option call is work. In the option call is advertise. Option call is advertise. LinkedIn. Option call is work. In the option call is advertise. So simple, what is that? This is called profile. What option call is work. Option call is advertise. Now here they open very like this page. The option call is create an ad. So when adding for create ad time, so what option call is add account. Add account nothing but your company page. Previous I'm creating for the digital action, digital Monica 2 page will create here. Add account. What that? Start with your by name or enter your URL also. Two will be accepted. One is called name or URL. Now just your copy this URL here up to ID. Enter URL. Name. This is my LinkedIn business name. Now write here. Rakesh SCO. Add account. So three options selecting here. One is called my company page, LinkedIn. Second one is called account name. What the third one is currency. What the currency will be called? Indian rupees. My ad will be run by which currency? With Indian rupees or US or anything will be selected by here. What the third option is currency. Click for add account. Your account was created here. Please write down the type of ads. One is called sponsored ad. Nothing but text ad. One is called sponsored ad. Nothing but text ad. And sponsored content. Last one is the email marketing. Mail marketing. Look here. This is called text ad here. I'll show you into my LinkedIn profile. Wait for a second. What is mean by text ad? See here. This is called text ad here. Look this one. What is that? This is my text ad. What is the option called? Download guide. What is showing here? They're showing by right corner side. What is that? This is called text ad. They're showing along with the text. Want to find out how to smash your 2018 marketing strategies ideas. What is that? This is ad. Now I show one more ad here. Now this is called second ad. What is that? Promoted. Don't forget, one is called ad. They show icon called. Second one is called promoted. The promoted by who? LinkedIn account. That is called advertisement here. Suppose if you click this page, they're going to where? Look this one. They're going to LinkedIn business page. Who are promoting with this? They're going to that particular LinkedIn page here. Now here. Is it clear? This is called second processor here. I show third ad here. So here, this is called third ad, promoted by the SBI, State Bank of India. If you select this photo, they're going to where? This is called photograph here. They promote along with the photograph here. Is it clear? This is promoted by who? State Bank of India. So here, I'm creating first one is called, that option called text ads. click the option called is select. So I'm selecting for campaign name. So here, what is that? Please write down. Campaign name character will be called 50 characters. When studying campaign by text ad, when you're creating for LinkedIn campaign and text ad, campaign name title will be called 50 characters. And targeted language, second option. First one is the first create a campaign. First title will be campaign name is 50 characters support by the. Second one is the language selection. Click for next. So here they can promoting two ways. Look the screen. First one is called your LinkedIn company page. Second one is called website. First one is the LinkedIn company page. Second one is the website. Then we'll discuss here. Look this screen here. Here we already see in the promoting option here. So we'll check here. What is that? Promoting. If they click this link, they're going to where? Particular website. This is called text ad. Here the option call is my website. You can add by the your website URL along with the text and description. So I'm writing the my website URL here. So please write down when you're selecting for website URL. Step 2. Step 1 campaign name and target a language. Step 2. One is called LinkedIn company page and a website. Please select by the website. Title accept by the 75 characters. Please write down. Title accepted by the 75 characters. Description will accept by the 75 characters. Is it clear? What's the first one? Website URL. Title will be 25 characters. Description will be 75 characters. And please add your image on your desktop. I'm selecting one image here. My image. Look here. This is called my ad here along with the image. This is the image. This is my ad. See, ad types. Please write down square, horizontal, long. One is called square. They show you by the right corner. And second one is called horizontal. They show by in content type like this. Last one is the long. They show by the header of your LinkedIn like this here. Total 3 types ads. One is called square, horizontal, and long. So what is that? Square, horizontal, and long. So after that, so what is the option called? Click for save. See the first ad. You can create by another ad. You can create by the number of ads. Customer course, digital marketing services, and you can create by number of ads. One is called maybe based on the pages, one is called based on the website. One is called website click purpose, second one is called LinkedIn page follower purpose. Two options. One is called LinkedIn page followers purpose. Second one is called website clicks purpose. In every ad, we can create by two types. One is called website clicks and LinkedIn page followers. It can be created by two ads. First one is the website. Second one is the LinkedIn page follow purpose. Now here, click for next. This is called set by the audience here. So your audience below here, just here, targeted place. So how many members are there in India? Look this one. 4 crores, sorry, 70 lakhs. How many? 4 crores, 70 lakhs. Sorry. How much potential will be there? 4 crores, 70 lakhs. Here I'm changing location will be called, city will be changing like that, Hyderabad. Here don't mistake for the vote selected by Pakistan, selected by the India. Now, how many members are there? 21 lakhs plus members. Now selected here, enable audience expansion and targeted new audiences similar to the audience for the campaign. First one is the enable audience expansion. Now just here, so audience expansion will you enable or not? Expansion. So what is the click for? Next. Now here campaign budget will be 2 types. What that? CPC and CPM. Ad click they will be charged is the first option. What is the second option? Cost per 1000 impression. Here what is that? Cost per impression they will charge. AdWords is cost per 1000 impression. Here what is that? Cost per impression. Suppose you see this ad, they will be charged. When you're placing for CPM. So yeah, I'm clicking for CPC. Suppose your branding purpose we are set by the CPM. Suppose you are looking for leads purpose, click for CPC here. Now here, what is that? Daily budget. I'm clicking for 500. What is the default budget by LinkedIn? 500. Please write down. LinkedIn default budget is 500. LinkedIn will be cost efficiency. Ads will be there. One click will be dependent charge by 130 to 194 rupees. One ad charge will be bidding charge 130 to 194 average bidding cost. If you okay with this cost price 130 to 194, you can continue running with the ads. Here schedule your ads, start date and schedule date. Both will be accepted. Start date and schedule date. First one is the start immediately. Second one is the start date and close date. Now here I'm starting with the here. It is called by 27th. Start date. When you start date, start immediately. There are 2 options here. Now it's done. So install with your Intel Insight tags. You can add by tags also. So don't need option here. So here, just come to select here, click for next. Your campaign ready to launch. When? Adding by the budget. So they accept by the only for credit or debit card. When you accept by credit or debit card, your review will be undergoing to the review process. They accept within a 1 hour. They can start your ads. They can start your ads. So this is called your creating by ads by LinkedIn. Clear? They accept only call credit or debit card only. One is called sponsor content, text ad and email ads. Sponsor nothing but image with the text and text nothing but one is called website traffic. Second one is called LinkedIn page followers. So our campaign will be inactive or active, easily checked by here. So my campaign will be active. When payment will be added, our campaign will be started. Suppose that is called inactive, nothing but your option will selected will be wrong. Option will be selected by the wrong. The say for inactive. Look here, pause. You can pause yourself. That is called your ad. Why? Because I'm not adding amount. When adding amount, continue add. Here, what is that here? Look this one. AdWords. When adding your payment, your ads will be started. Facebook. When add your payment, ads will be started. LinkedIn. When creating ad, the payment will be started. Twitter. When adding amount, your ads will be started. LinkedIn is completely different. When ad will be created after the asking by payment. When adding created by ad, after last process is called amount process. Before that, they can't add by the amount. Based on the ad, they lost the asking by the amount by your credit card or debit card. The final thing is clear. This is the fourth four different by the Facebook, Twitter, and Google and LinkedIn. These are final accounts. Suppose you have download any information by this account information. Simple click for download report. Select the clicks. You can download the report here. It's a final report. So how many got impression? How many clicks will be done? You can check the final report. So simple here. I created a campaign 1 year. They're showing by the report here. What is that? Impression, clicks, social access, total spending amount. They all give the final report here. Conversion, leads, impression. They're showing by conversion also, leads also. The call will be convert or not, will show by here. And lead will generate or not. Everything is they showing the final report here. You can export your final all report by the each and every report by the all pages here. So each and every page we can export the report and download by the here. We can download individual report and we can download by at a time all campaign report also.